Enable CoSchedule's WordPress integration so you can plan, publish, promote, and automatically sync your blog posts between your marketing calendar and WordPress site. Once your WordPress site is connected, your existing WordPress posts sync to your marketing calendar as projects. To manage a WordPress post, click on the project. With the WordPress integration, you can use CoSchedule or the WordPress admin to update, create, and promote any content. If you are working in the WordPress admin, you'll find the CoSchedule meta box at the bottom of any WordPress post. From that meta box, you can add attachments like social campaigns or work with tasks and discussions. Add a social campaign to create promotional social messages before a post publishes. CoSchedule will populate the correct URL as soon as the post is published. Have drafts that aren't scheduled yet? Add them to your marketing calendar using IdeaBin. To create a new WordPress post, click on the plus sign on the date you'd like to publish. Give it a title and schedule the date and time you would like it to publish. Your WordPress post project will sync with your site and you can begin drafting your new post. Then when your post is finished, switch the status in CoSchedule to scheduled. Your blog post and any promotional social messages will go live based on the publishing schedule you set in CoSchedule. Ready to save time on blog management? Enable your WordPress integration in CoSchedule to get started.